Okay, so I've got an opportunity in San Clemente. Ocean view, but it's raining. Single car garage, thinking about maybe making this into a double car garage. Nice little front lawn here. Pool's in front of the house. So one thing foundational issues right here in the front. It's been lifted up, so I've got to get an estimate on this. Many houses in San Clemente have this, I've noticed. Great, gorgeous view. I'll go out through another window. Get rid of that. Kitchen looks really good. Fireplace, I like that. Looks like it's an electric fireplace. See there. Bathroom looks pretty good. First bedroom. Got speakers on the ceiling. Got a small little closet here. Both bedrooms lead out to the pool. Second bedroom, a little bigger closet. Has a window. And it also leads out to the pool and jacuzzi. Which is in front of the house, which is interesting. Okay, we'll get out over here. So here's the master. It's fairly small. Closet right there. Bathroom right here. There's something I'm doing different with these locks. Oh, here we go. I should have done that in the first one. Okay, so here's what I was trying to get out before. So there's your ocean view right there. Little patio out front. You got a great view of the hill. Someone's put some tarps up there. They're having landslides. And what I would do is probably bring the master bedroom out somewhere in this vicinity here. Increase the bathroom. Do a nice little walk-in closet because you've got this hillside all the way up to here is your property. Make that view part of the windows, like do a side of windows with that view. It would be absolutely priceless. And then over here you've got the pool area and pool filter. I'm gonna run this by my contractor, see what they say. I'm being offered this off market, owner financing, but I'll see if it works.